If we divide 756 by 2 in a long division method, so 2 times 3 is 6. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 5 and it is 15. 2 times 7 is 14. On subtracting, we get 1. So again we put down this 6 and it is 16. 2 times 8 is 16. On subtracting, we get 0. So 756 divided by 2 is 378. So this much for today and thanks for watching.